Hello, everybody. In today's lesson, we are going to learn possessive adjectives in English. So, first of all, let's look at possessive adjectives in English. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. These are possessive adjectives in English. Now, let's see the usages of possessive adjectives in English. We use possessive adjectives to talk about ownership. Means when we talk about the things that I own, you own, or others own. Or we can say that we use possessive adjectives to talk about belongings, to talk about the things that belong to someone. Or we use possessive adjectives to talk about relationships between people. Let's see some examples. My house means the house belongs to me. Your book means you own the book. Or his brother. In the last example, this one shows the relationship between two people. So shortly, we use possessive adjectives to talk about ownership, belongings, or relationships between people. Now let's continue the lesson and learn more about possessive adjectives. In this part, we have subject pronouns and possessive adjectives to better understand the meaning of possessive adjectives. I, the possessive adjective for I is my, you, your, we, our, they, their, he, his, she, her, it, its. These are subject pronouns and these are possessive adjectives related to the subject pronouns. Now let's see what they mean. My talk about something that belongs to me. Your talks about something that belongs to you, one person, or to you more than one people. Our talks about something that belongs to you and me. Their talks about something that belongs to others, not to me. His talks about something that belongs to a man. Her talks about something that belongs to a woman. Its talks about something that belongs to other things. So these are possessive adjectives with their meanings. Now let's go to the next part of the lesson and see possessive adjectives in the sentences. I have a car. This is my car means that the car belongs to me. My car is red. Let me tell you a point here that we use possessive adjectives before the noun that belongs to me, to you, or to the others. You have a house. That is your house. Your house isn't big. The next one, we have a coach. He is our coach. Our coach is kind. The next example, they have a ball. This is their ball. Their ball is black and white. The next example, this is Tom. His glasses are nice. His shoes are orange. The next example, she has blonde hair. Her hair is blonde. She loves her hair. And the last example, this is my work table. Its color is brown. Its drawers are big. Good guys, I hope you understand the lesson. Please subscribe to the channel, share and like the videos, and share your ideas in the comment section with me.